It's a stressful time of year for college students, most of them studying day and night, hoping to pass the final exams at the end of the semester. On-campus health experts fear, though, study drugs are being abused with dangerous consequences.
Investigative reporter Patrick Nelson in studio, and this is a growing concern here in southern Colorado, Patrick, and around the country.
It is. With all the pressure that comes with college finals, a growing number of students are seeking out study drugs like Adderall without the guidance of a doctor. Students hope the drugs can give them the edge they need, but both local health professionals and drug investigators say it's not worth the risk. On campus at UCCS, students are preparing for finals week. Already this year, Executive Director of Health and Wellness, Stephanie Hannenberg, says she's seen the impact of study drugs like Adderall.
When we see students, it's usually because they took something and they're worried they've done damage to their heart. They come in, they think they're having a heart attack, or they're having racing heart, or they haven't slept in days, so they can no longer function.
This summer, UCCS students told News 5 the presence of study drugs is no secret.
I do know people who are prescribed Adderall to be able to focus, but then I also know people who can just get it from a friend, even though they're not prescribed it.
But taking study drugs like Adderall without the guidance of a doctor is risky.
I worry about the one-time users that take too much, and it does have an effect on their heart. But I also worry about students that maybe start to realize that they like the benefit of it and they like that stimulant, and so they're looking for the next high from it.
On top of that, local law enforcement just put out a warning. Deadly doses of fentanyl are showing up on the streets in what appears to be prescription pills.
We've had several cases now here in El Paso County where our narcotics detectives with Metro VNI have located pills containing fentanyl.
Taking pills has become so commonplace, school officials say pills are poured into bowls for guests to take when they arrive at parties.
That can really be deadly, especially if you're mixing a whole cocktail of medications. So I think the warning was very timely, perfect, and I hope people really listen to it.
And healthcare professionals say another concern is the fact study drugs share similar components with meth, and it could lead to addiction problems in the future. For signs of study drug abuse and ways to get help, you can head to our website, KOAA.com. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson, News 5.